What's good at there, whānau? Welcome back to another episode of A Māori Phrase of the Day. We on. Alright, today's Māori phrase, whānau, he rangi tā mata, he rangi tā manuhiri, which translates to, every guest brings their own sky. To explain that a bit more, is that everyone's different, whānau, everyone has their own perspectives, everyone has their own things that they're bringing to the table, Everyone's been through their own journeys, so they'll have their own sort of backgrounds and what they're good at and what they're not good at. But it's like a reminder of the richness of diversity. So I guess it's like a good way to celebrate individuality and just a reminder that everyone has their own perspectives in life, So if it doesn't align with your perspective, it's not your perspective. It's their perspective. But as always, whānau, if that was incorrect or if I just fully mispronounced it, please comment down below so we can all get it right. And remember to stay positive, be kind to one another. And it's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day. So go and have a beautiful day, whānau. Sure.